or something. Yeah, I know a little bit of, because like my cousin works as a Power BI. So yeah.
Okay. Before the Power BI, let's speak about the Excel.
Okay.
Okay. Hope you are good with Excel, right?
A little bit, that little bit. Yeah, not that much though. Yeah, but like I know, like, yeah,
How
here
about
and
the
there.
PowerPoint?
Sorry?
PowerPoint.
Yeah, I know them. Like I've been using them like long ago, but like yeah, I
So have
have to.
you used any type of a data storage or
I'm
database?
so I'm sorry.
Have you used any database?
Um, See, as I said, like I'm starting my career, and like until now, like I haven't done any coaching or anything. Like whatever I know about the Power BI, that's I knew because of my brother, and nothing more
Yeah.
than that. Yeah.
Now, the combination of Excel, okay,
Mm-hmm.
the combination of PowerPoint, the combination of database is nothing but in Power BI,
Okay. Nice.
okay,
Okay.
which we can call
Mm-hmm.
it as an advanced level, okay.
Okay.
Earlier,
Mm-hmm.
what we used to do is assume I do have 100 branches throughout the pan India, okay.
Okay.
Now, what earlier we used to do is collect the data in the Excel,
Okay.
each branch.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, to consolidate that data, they used to take some hours of time.
Okay.
Hope you're aware of consolidation. How much time it might take to do the hundreds of branches
Uh,
in one Excel sheet.
yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. Mm.
Now, using the Power BI, we can do it in the 10 seconds.
Okay.
10
Okay.
seconds of the 100 Excel sheets can be done in 10 seconds, or the maximum time is a 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, where it is saving us the time, right?
Yeah.
It
That's
is
nice.
saving us
Yeah.
the time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in the Excel, you might have seen the pivot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even that can be seen here. Okay. Consolidation, formulas, everything will be there in the Power BI.
Okay. The UI will be looking just like the Excel. Is it the Power BI desktop?
The UI looks a bit different. Uh,
Okay.
Let me show you. Now, before going to that, what will I show is first let's go with the file here. Okay, already we do have created many Power BI files here. And
Mm-hmm.
this is a home page where it helps you to get the data. Suppose if I want to pull some data into the Power BI,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I do have already an Excel data. Just I
Mm-hmm.
need to get data. Can you see here from home
Yeah.
page we
Yeah.
can get the data into the Power BI. Okay,
Yeah.
from the Excel, from the Word, from other XLX, from wherever you want to bring the data, even from the SQL also you can bring the data. So let's start with the files. Okay,
Okay.
text,
Mm-hmm.
XML, JSON, folders, PDF. You can pull the data into the Power BI from the
Got
database.
it.
From the
Okay.
database, you have a SQL, Oracle, IBM, okay,
Mm-hmm.
MySQL. From all this database, you can pull the data into the Power BI. It supports
Okay.
Power Platform like Power BI data sets, data parameters, Power BI data flow. It supports the data here. Okay.
Okay.
The
Okay.
one of the known database, one of the famous database, which is an Azure. Hope you are aware of Azure AWS.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, even this, it accepts the data from this particular part. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
online services also, it will take the data. Online services, Microsoft Dynamics, okay, Salesforce, what else, SharePoint Online, Adobe, from wherever throughout the details, it accepts the data. Okay, you can
Okay.
say that, okay, this is the where the PowerPoint is, Power BI is not accepting the data. You cannot say that. Okay,
Okay.
so we do have many things here. Okay, now I can pull the data from the one of the Excel. I pick here the Excel workbook. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I do have Excel data here. I do have one of
Okay.
this Excel data. I have picked the bonus Excel data. Just open it. That's it.
Okay.
It was what are the data I do have on our PC or wherever it is. Okay.
Okay.
It will get the data in this way. So this is the bonus. Until and unless I don't click this employee bonus, it will not export.
Okay.
Load. Okay. It loads the data here. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
the data will be visible here. Apply changes. Employee bonus data.
So the data we get like from client or anything, like it will be in the Excel format only, or like in any.
I'll help you. This Excel, sometimes you have to create it. The
Oh,
client
okay.
basic information stating that assume I'm an employee of an organization. I'm an HR.
Mm-hmm.
What I need to see, this is the data we have got it here. Employee bonus. This was a thing we have created. Excel we have uploaded it.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm the employee of one organization. I'm an HR. Okay. Now I got the data from my management stating that this is the employee ID. This is its name. Okay. This is his date of birth. Okay. This is its date of joining, Aadhaar card, contact number, so and so. And this is
Mm.
its basic wage salary. Now I want
Yeah.
to go for the calculation of the bonus,
Okay.
calculation of gratuity. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Calculation of appraisal. This data will
Okay.
need to be prepared by us in the Power BI. Now you
Okay.
see that there were only two things. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
bonus and the Excel. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll click here bonus. Okay, automatically it starts showing the data of the bonus it got here. But how should be visible bonus and employee ID? I have clicked here. Okay, this is the sum. Okay, this is the data I do have. Okay, some of the bonus, some of the count of the employee ID.
Employee ID. Yeah.
Now I can go with the n number of visualizations as I'm comfort. As the management is in the comfort zone, we can change the
Mm-hmm.
number of visualization with the same data. Okay, as I do have a less data here, you can see that two different colors are there. Employee ID number is this. This is the bonus. As the bonus amount is high, it's showing the and the visualization it's as a high.
Okay.
Okay, so thus we do have n number of visualizations here. And if you
Okay.
want to import more, import a visuals from the file or get more visuals, suppose if you are an employee of an organization or you are the student of one university, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can get all this data. Okay, when you
Okay.
click more, first of all, you will not get the data. It will ask for the your university email ID or the organization where you are working so that the other features will be available here. This is an
Okay.
online feature.
Okay.
The same data I can visualize in a different way. And I want to visualize this data and throw over. I clicked it. Okay, it is asking. I have clicked on add. Okay. If it is a paid, you cannot get it. If it is not paid, then you get an option of it. I mean, you will get the one more option here. I think it's taking time. So here,
Oh.
now what are the data we do have? We can add the more features or you can okay, import successful done. Can you see your option?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, you got the option here. As you have nothing here. Okay, as you have a less
Oh.
information here, you got the data in this way. Okay,
Okay.
as if you
Okay.
have a number of data, then upgrade visual. If I click on upgrade, it will take me to the payment mode.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, if I want to create any headers, footers, if I have to create any data, okay, see this is a day report. What are the report now? We do have a features here. It is our
Mm-hmm.
report. Okay, if I click here, I get the what are the data I do have internally. I cannot see here, but when I click this import report data, I can visualize it. Let me open this. Now you can see this. Two things are there in my Excel sheet. Which I have done this. One is employee, one is a bonus.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have to add some features. I want to add a new column. Okay. I have the new column here. Got it? Now, if I want to apply some formula, just click on the top upper part. You have to write the formula here. So that depend upon the formulas, the table will automatically will be adding on.
Okay.
Now I do have, assume this is a salary. Salary plus 10% bonus divided by 12. If you keep some bonus points, bonus formula, you will be getting the bonus details here. Okay.
No. Okay.
After that, you can, whatever the sheet you have prepared here, you can export it. Okay.
Okay.
You
We
can
can export to again like our desktop or
save
like
as Excel.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is a model. Now what does the model do is, suppose I do have some 3 Excel sheets. In one Excel sheet, the employee ID and the salary, and the second sheet is employee ID and their bonus amount. Third is employee ID and their addresses.
Okay.
What is the common thing in this?
The employee ID.
So what we are going to do here in the model is we are going to connect a unique things from every table. We get a connectivity from one table to another table by using the connectivity. Can you see here primary key and the secondary key? Hope you are aware of.
Yeah.
Okay, what I do is, if I do have a one more table here, just I go and connect it. What has happened is, assume there is a one more table, then we can get connected. So what are the Excel sheets you have? That all Excel sheet will be considered into one table.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the report. Now the same visualization, whatever the visualization you are seeing here, as you can see, the n number of flows are there here, visualization. Now the same data, suppose I want to increase the size of it, size of the content, okay, matrix or the general. Now I want to keep some properties. I want to increase the height of it. Okay. Automatically, can you see here? It's buffering. Automatically, we can increase the height, width, table. Okay. Position. Now it is in the horizontal. If you want to put it in the vertical, put it. Okay. Advance. Maintain a layer. If you want to maintain any layer in between this titles. Okay. Suppose I want to add some title. 𝐾𝐸. Can you see on the top?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Headings. I want this heading to be more bold. Okay. As the numbers are increasing, then the size will be decreasing. Okay. This is about this. Now I want to text. What are the text I want to maintain is, I want to maintain the blue in color. Can you see that? Automatically.
Yeah.
In the same way, whatever the text we do have, whatever the data visualization we do have, we can change according to our convenient. That is the power. Visualization. The more visualization we do. So let me.
One question, like what do I mean, like why do we create all these reports and these things for, like for the client's sake, or like?
So do you have any interest in dresses?
Sorry?
Costumes?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you want to buy online or the offline?
Okay. Like mostly like people buy offline, like they go and like, yeah.
Let's go with two things, offline, online. Okay. Now you want to go to one showroom. How do you get attracted to that showroom, first of all? I mean, what is the way of you get attracted? Now, suppose you went into the market, there are many shopping malls. Okay. How do you get attracted to that one particular shopping mall that you go and purchase the product? Can you give me one point on that?
Like how they advertise, like they put like some costumes in the mannequins and like they attract customers, right? Like
Visualize, right? The more
yeah,
you visualize, the more attraction towards it,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So what we are doing here in the Power BI is the data is common. Okay. If
Mm-hmm.
you maintain the data in the Excel, that is fine. You maintain the Power BI, that's fine. But what we
Mm-hmm.
are doing here is in the Power BI, three things are mandatory we are doing. We are adding the Excel sheets automatically. We are able
Mm-hmm.
to add the fields and everything. We are doing that.
Okay.
Okay. And we do have a database. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
even you are making the visualization. So can you see my Power BI now?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it looking good?
Not that good, like.
Yes. So what here we have done is I do have a thousands of sales record here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now just watch the numbers. Just watch the numbers. Now I'm clicking on Bhutan.
Okay.
Okay, just confirm me what is happening with the numbers.
Okay.
Is any change in the numbers on the top?
Where exactly you're referring?
Can you see your numbers? Okay. Once check these numbers. I'll click on the Afghanistan. Top here. Check these numbers. When I click here,
Mm-hmm.
the left side, this is the index I do have. Assume. Now I click on the Bunel. When I click on the Bunel, can you see the changes of the numbers?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you see the images also it's changing and the data here also it's changing?
Yes, the date also, yeah.
Okay. All the data is changing. So instead of maintaining the hundreds of Excel sheet, now suppose the same data I request you to maintain as a state wise. How do you maintain? You maintain some 60 Excel in a one Excel sheet. You maintain some 60 to 70 sheets, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But on instead of that, I have made it in a one simple page. One simple page. Okay. Now see here. Suppose I click here in this particular color, in this
Mm-hmm.
sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, change the numbers.
Okay.
Okay. All indicating that in this particular area, this is the business run. 13.8 million units sold. This is the profits I received. This is the counts of sales record. Okay, this is the
Okay.
total profits. This is the sum of total revenue of this particular thing, of this particular
Mm-hmm.
area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on this date, we have done this much business. Can you see here? Now I click here. Now it shows that on which date, how much business I have done. Can you see here? So in one sheet, it explaining me a n number of things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For this, we use the Power BI. Suppose if I
Okay.
ask you to do the same thing, you can do it in the Excel. But
Yeah.
and look this attractive. This headers, footers, you do have a n number of grids over there.
Yeah.
You do have a n number of lines over there. So it's a bit difficult to maintain those. Okay.
Mm.
What I do is I do have a data already here. This particular box I do have. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what I want to do is this visualization. I go to the visualization and in the general, what I want to do is in the properties, make, well, can you see the number? Do we have any number here?
Where exactly you're referring?
Can you see my screen?
I see, but like I
Here,
don't know if it is stuck or like you keep on changing. I see like you changed that Bhutan and those things, right? Those came and now no changes at all. Like I don't understand where exactly you're referring to.
Okay, let me, now you can see the screen, right?
Oh
Complete.
yeah, no. Yeah, yeah.
What I'm doing is, assume this is the unit sold I do have here. Okay, I click on the form, I go with the general, I go with the properties. Just see this.
Okay.
Is it removed?
Yeah,
Is it moved out of it?
yeah.
Now, once I will do this one. Okay, now the position. Okay, advanced option. How you want to see that? I have maintained a layer, and on the title, I have added some effects here. Now I want that color, background color to be the different one. Hope you can see this, right?
Yes.
I'm changing the background color. Now in the same color, uh, as per my knowledge, females are very good in colors. Okay, now they call the blue, light blue, navy blue, blue, many things they will call. So what do I do is
Yeah.
on the transparency, what I'll do is I'll make some transparency here. If I don't have that particular color, I do have a transparency here to make it light, dark, and
True.
heavy.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
So I want to maintain some visual borders. Okay, border should be some different color. Let's make some unique color. Okay, you can see that borders are different in color. If you want to maintain, okay, the borders are maintained. Now you want to maintain a shadow of that particular box. You know the shadow, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want to make a shadow of this outside or the inside. I want to make the outside shadow. Bottom or the left center corner. I want to make the center of it. Now I can see some shadow of it surrounding. Can you
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
In this way, the data we can make in a visualization way very unique. Okay.
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 So all
This will
these
help.
requirements we get from the like anybody like manager or anything, like all these changes that we have to do, or like we have to do accordingly.
Now, the requirement, we are getting the raw data and
Mm-hmm.
making that more visualized. Now you say that as per the management, we need to prepare the data visualization. Sometimes what they
Okay.
do is they confirm a person as a Power BI visualization specialist, and they
Mm-hmm.
just share the data stating that our agenda for the meeting is we want a sales report, okay, revenue
Mm-hmm.
report, where
Mm-hmm.
the organizations are not running, okay,
Mm-hmm.
where the more profits are running. Okay,
Okay.
now what you do is, okay, I have bought, you have bought all the countries here. Now what
Mm-hmm.
I do is I click here, I go with the question and answer. I click the question and answer here.
Mm-hmm.
What is the total unit sold so far? I clicked on it.
Okay.
Okay, when I click on it, what it shows is what is the total unit sold? 13 millions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it. In this way, you don't need to. It will get the data from the Excel automatically. You don't need to click equal to sum of total again doing the additional and have a look. It doesn't require. It automatically calculates
Oh, okay.
value.
Okay. Also, like Rana, like I heard of these DAX operations or DAX formulas. What is that exactly for then? What we use them for?
For the that we have seen here, right? What are the formulas we calculate here? Okay,
Okay.
as we have added some columns, new and other things. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
here we use the formulas. What are the formulas like equal to trim the
Acha. We use
content.
those DAX operations here.
Yes, we use the operations here. Suppose I want to
Okay.
trim some data. I don't want to see this
Okay.
data. I will trim it.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
want
Just like
to,
how you give in Excel, like
yes,
that.
yes,
Okay.
that is a we do here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that all the data. Now, what do we have left off, right off, trim and length of that particular field? How much is the length and
Mm-hmm.
size of it? All the these things we'll be doing here.
Okay.
Okay. So, and we have a data storage also. This is the ServiceNow. Okay. And we do have a one more called ServiceNow data storage one. Okay. This is a,
Okay.
sorry, Power BI data storage one. That is a part of the Power BI only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is we do have three modules here. This is the module one where we are going for the visualization.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Module two where we are following the data like trim, auto edit, everything. What are the things you want to do? You will do here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. This is the part of the second where we are connecting one table to another table. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose I get one more data here. Excel, term, assume bonus. As we have nothing relevant here, but even though I have took it for the example,
Mm-hmm.
let us get the data. Suppose if I want to remove this 2 to 3 fields here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
remove the 2 to 3 fields from the sheet also.
Okay.
Now let's get it closed. 1 minute. Let the data be available. Let it come. Now it's getting data. Once we get here, apply changes. Once we create all the data, we need to publish it. If you don't publish
Okay.
it, the data will be only restricted to one system.
Okay.
Okay. Now I do have two things here. Suppose if I want to connect this into this, okay, the relationship will be made. As I have nothing unique here, but even though I have made a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
Now, once this relationship is made, now even the data will be according to it. Okay.
Okay.
All the data will be uh, done accordingly. Even the visualization also, for the visualization also, we can see the two records here. Now I do have employee sales and the employee bonus. Like in this way, I can add the n number of Excel sheet in this. This is
Okay.
different Excel sheets. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And moreover, hope you can see here, as same in the Excels, we can add the pages here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can add the pages. Suppose this is assume this is the induction page. I have a page number and that particular content. If I click on that particular index page, it will redirect me to the wherever the data is available.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Uh, any doubts? As this is a demo, just I've given some information of it. When you take the real-time data,
Mm-hmm.
to explain the each topic, it might take some hours of time. Okay.
Okay.
Let me know if any query, any doubts.
Nothing as of now. So we also use like SQL queries, right? Like that's what I heard too, like to get the data from the database.
Even we can
Like,
get the data from the SQL also.
okay, okay. So you'll be teaching those SQL like any basic things or like only
I'll
related to
be
Power
teaching
BI?
you the no. Even SQL is the part of the Power BI only. I'll be teaching
Yeah,
you the
yeah.
basics. How does the SQL works? What is the storage capacity? Like create, update, delete, CRUD operation.
Mm-hmm.
Create, read,
Okay.
and delete operations. I will help you out in understanding that.
Yeah. So only those four operations you'll be using or like beyond that?
Mostly, SQL is based on four operations only. CRUD, create
Okay.
any
Okay.
data, read any
Mm-hmm.
data, update the data, delete the data. Out of
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
no database will be available. I mean, what are the database you took? Oracle also works on the CRUD. Create, read,
Okay.
delete.
Okay.
Okay. Now transform the data. Okay. That's it from my side. If you have queries, you can ask me.
Oh, that's it, Rana. Like, yeah, so far so good. Like, yeah, I like the session.
Okay, Abhinay. Uh, if everything goes good, we'll reach soon. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Nice
Thanks for
talking.
connecting. Yeah. Bye bye.